everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery boxes. I only got 2 of them. We will talk about that in just a second. But if you're new around here, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you'd like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you want to come and watch them. And yeah guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so about the boxes. I know that a lot of you haven't watched my videos before. This is the first video you're watching of mine. Some of you have been following me for a while now. If you guys have been following me for a while, if you go back and see any of my videos, you know that I am pretty patient, pretty understanding, and I don't have a lot of negative to say. Honestly, a lot of times because we all have different experience with makeup, so on and so forth. But I think we all get to a point of, what the fuck? Like, excuse my language, but it's true. I love Jeffree. I am always buying all his new stuff, well, what I can get. We all know that launches are crazy and everything like that. But it kind of sucked to have, like, yet another thing happen with the website for launch day. If you guys were trying to get the boxes, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. The little drop down thing wasn't working, and so that was frustrating in itself, right? But I think what made the experience more irritating was you didn't even have to look. If you opened Twitter, you saw that people were having a conversation about it, and there was a lot of people that were like Jeffree Star super fans. I don't know what people call people like that. I will say this. Just because your experience went one way doesn't mean that somebody else's didn't go a different way. And so people were in the comments saying like, oh, people feel entitled and like, I don't know, just all these crazy things. But at the end of the day, just because turning your phone sideways worked for you, clicking the little tear drop down thing, whatever, just because it worked for you doesn't mean that it worked for somebody else. And somebody saying that sucked, that this happened, doesn't mean that they feel entitled. Like, it's, I'm sorry guys, you guys know that I really don't like talk about that kind of stuff, but I just want to put it out there that just because you can comment on something doesn't mean that you always have to, because I was one of the people that it wasn't working on my phone, the little tear button wasn't working, and even working on my laptop it glitched for like a second or two, took out the boxes from my cart, and then I had to redo it. So it was a website issue that people were having different experiences with, and that's okay. But that being said, you guys know that I love Jeffree's products and I'm excited to open these. I just wanted to put it out there. As I was saying, I digress. Let's get into the boxes. I just want to put my 2 cents because I know somebody's going to say something about how it didn't work for them, and I'm sorry, it didn't work for me either. It was annoying, but it was more annoying for people to think that they know exactly how to fix something that they have no idea about clearly, because nothing was working for me. Okay guys, so that being said, I only did get 2 of the boxes. I believe I got the premium and I got the deluxe. I love the boxes themselves, so we're gonna go into the premium first. So opening the box right up, I see a lot of Valentine's Day theme. You guys, I love Valentine's Day because I love Valentine's Day, but also just like the color scheme, like I love it. I think it's so pretty. So this is the gloss that I got. It is super cute. It's like a, almost like a cotton candy pink. I will swatch it on my hand for you guys as well. And that is what the swatch looks like. It is a gorgeous color. It's more like a topper for me, like how I would use it, or a gloss on its own, I guess. But yeah, I would definitely use it probably more on its own, personally. The unicorn, of course, is the red and pink Valentine's Day theme. And then up next we have a little beanie. You guys, I actually think this is super cute. So I personally buy the boxes mainly for the makeup, but I do like that he goes this route, and even like the next item is a pink pop socket. I love that he goes this route and including different merch, because I am a plus size woman and some of the merch just doesn't fit me or doesn't fit me the way that I like to wear my clothes. So it's nice to be able to still wear merch that's not necessarily just clothes, you know what I mean? And I know that he's had different items, but you know what I mean. And up next, we have this little green packaging, which I'm assuming is going to be the Alien palette or something like that. I forgot what it was called. I'm sorry. Yeah, the Alien palette. You guys, this packaging, like, yes. I actually don't have this one, so I'm excited to see it. I do have most of his palettes, though. So this is what the outside looks like. The eyes look so cool. So this is what the shades in here look like. Super cute. Actually very neutral to be an Alien palette, huh? But still beautiful shades. So that was all the products in this premium box, which, oh, you guys, I always love the actual box. I think it's so cute. And I'm sorry if I go orange, you guys. I think there's just a lot going on. I'm moving a lot. So the first item that we have is a Jeffree Star hat, which is kind of cute. You guys, I want to wear hats sometimes, but I'm like, oh, I have a big head. So it's cute, and then it's adjustable in the back, which of course love because I have a big head. Up next, I'm assuming this is going to be a shirt. You guys, if you guys have watched any of my other mystery boxes, you guys already know. But for those of you that don't know, I actually get the merch items or whatever in mediums when it asks, because I get them for my husband. So it has a cute little like Valentine's Day heart in the front, and then the back says, "Can't relate, I'm gagging, hi, how are you, Jeffree Star approved and icon," or iconic. And then the little Jeffree Star logo. You guys, my husband will totally rock that, like, he lives, trust me. So up next we have this little gold wrapping paper. You guys, I love the detail that Jeffree, sorry, this is probably loud. I love the detail in all the wrapping and everything, like the matchy-matchy, like, I love that. So this is the Jeffree Star 24 karat gold highlighting palette, I'm pretty sure. Let's pop it open. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like, can you guys see that? Yes. You guys, these are cute shades. I love this. So these are the 3 highlighting shades on the top. 1, 2, 3. And these are the 3 on the bottom. Ignore the gloss. Sorry, I could have probably did that better. But they are gorgeous. I'm actually super excited for this one, you guys. Like I said, I don't think I have any of his highlighting palettes. Let me grab a makeup towel. Stand by. Alrighty. So up next we have, this is so cute, a full set of his straws. Usually you get about 1, and then they all come with like a little brush to clean them. So these are the straws and the colors. Those are actually really cute. I've been trying to do my best to not use plastic straws that much. Sometimes I still do because I have them, but I've been trying not to buy anymore, for sure. Okay, so up next we have a nice little green tissue paper moment here. And I got the mini breaker. So this one, I'll open it up to show you guys, but I actually already have 2 of these. So I will definitely be putting this into a giveaway in the future. And the inside looks like this. It is super cute. I love the tones that it has, but I also love the big one as well. So if you want to subscribe in the future, I will be giving that away. And then up next we have the gloss. This one is in pink packaging, and this is the shade Legends Only. I hate ripping up my unicorns, you guys. I like to save them sometimes. So this is the gloss right here. Let me swatch it for you guys. It's a little hard to see, but if you could see, it's almost like a nude, like a light nude gloss. It's this one right here. It's such a cute wearable shade. I love that. And up next we have a Mstery, I'm assuming, liquid lipstick. And let's see what shade it is. Oh, this is pretty. This reminds me of the Christmas shade. Let me get a little closer for you guys. It is gorgeous. It is like a red with pink little flakes almost, like pink metallic. Let me swatch it for you guys. So this is the shade right here. It is drying down, but it's almost like a berry red once you put it on. So it still has that little pink sheen, but it is such a gorgeous color. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I always say if a lip color isn't for you, don't forget that you can use these as base, as eyeliner, anything like that. I'm pretty sure this one you could even like very lightly go in and use it as a blush. So my last item is in this box, which I recognize the box, so I think I already know what it is going to be. And yes, it is a Jeffree Star mirror. You guys, I am so excited for this. I do have a white and gold one. It's actually out in my living room, but it is just the star mirror. I love it. I love this white and black. Like, yes. But you guys, that is everything. I did not get the big box. I'm totally bummed that I didn't get the big box, but it's okay. Maybe I didn't need it. Maybe there was a reason. Out of everything, I think I'm most excited for the highlighting palette. I know that it's not new. At least I don't think it is. But I actually don't have any of his highlighting palettes. I'm also super excited for the glosses. I am usually a matte person, but lately I've been, I don't know, wearing a lot of gloss. So I love them both. The other one fell and my dog took it, so I have to go get it from her. But I'm excited for probably those two items the most, but I loved everything. And then also the shirt and like the merch. I can't wait for my husband to try it because he low-key loves it. I feel like he is like just as obsessed as I am. So yeah guys, this was probably one of my favorite mystery boxes, if not my favorite. Even though I did get a repeat, I'm okay with that. Like, I like to give back to you guys. If you're interested in anything that's on my face, I will link it down below. I always list and link everything down below in my descriptions. It will be a full video in itself, so when it's available, I'll come back and put the link down at the bottom. But yeah guys, thank you for joining me. This was, I hope, pretty quick. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!